I've got Lucy here, and I'm going to show her how to use Napier's rods. She hasn't used them before, but I did explain to her that Napier had these things that kind of look like larger versions of the base 10 long pieces, but they had these multiples of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 9, maybe even a 0. And so like on the 8s, this is 8 times 1, 8 times 2 is 16, so we use the 1 and the 6 to mean the 1 is the tens place, the 6 is the ones place. But we can use these, Napier invented these to multiply. So Lucy, could you please give me a 4-digit number?
6,423.
Okay, and I'm going to multiply that by another number. Give me a 3-digit number, please.
362.
362. Okay. And I don't have a calculator here on me, and so we'll just see what happens. So to make this, to use these Napier's rods, here's what I do. I need to make one of the numbers, either the 6,423 or the 362, using the top numbers on the page. So which would you rather me build? It's up to you. I can do it either way. You want me to start with the 6,000 or you want me to start with the 300?
6,000.
Okay, so 6,432. Okay, so what this does now is this, like one strip by itself was the multiples of 6. Now if I read down, these are the multiples of 6,432. So 6,432 times 1 is 6,432. 6,432 times 2 is, let me just put a little highlight box on that. 6,432 times 2 is 12,864. Do you see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 6,432 times 3 is 18,000. Oh, 19. Where are you getting a 19 from? That 1 gets kind of regrouped over here. So it's 1 in the 10,000, 9 in the 1,000, so 19,296. And 6,432 times 4 would be 25,728. Does that make sense? Okay.
Yeah.
So I want to do this times 362. So I'm going to need the 2 in there. So I'm going to make some notes here. I'm going to say 6,423. Oh, I didn't was doing this wrong. Yikes. You said 23 and I wrote 32. Okay, now it's better. 6,423 times 2 is, as we saw here, 12,846. And then I'm going to multiply it. That's times 2. Now, check this out. I'm going to multiply it by 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I multiply it by 6, because the 6 is up there, that gives me, come on, keyboard, 6,423 times 6 is, what does that read to be?
38,538.
Great. And what else do I need to do with these? What else do I need to multiply 6,423 by? I did the 2, and I did the 6.
The 3.
The 3, exactly. So I'll grab your favorite color and put it there. And so what does that give me for 6,423 times 3?
19,000. 269.
269. So this is kind of what I need, but not exactly what I need. So watch this. So this 6 is not really 6. I really don't want to multiply 6,423 by 6. what does that 6 mean in 362?
60.
Okay, so what can I do with this result, 6,423 times 6? How can I make that 6,423 times 60? What do I need to change? Or what do I need to do?
You can add a 0 to the end of said number.
Okay, so when you say add a 0, are you talking about like adding the number 0 to it? Because that's not going to change anything.
No, you move all of the place values to the left.
Move them to the left and then put that 0
Yes.
in what place value?
The ones.
In the ones place. Okay, so what's this number become here?
385,380.
Great. What do I need to do with this 3?
That 3, you need to move it over to the left. Said number up here, over to the left.
Okay, because that 3 is not really 3.
It's 300.
300. And so you told me to move it. How many spaces to the left? I interrupted you. I'm sorry.
2.
Okay, so when I move it to the left 2 spaces, what is that going to be?
1,000,000.
Okay.
926,900.
Great. Now what do I do with the I got a lot of numbers here. What do I do you think, to get my final answer for what
You add them together.
What am I going to add together?
385, 380.
So take that number. Okay.
Yeah, and you add it to 12,846.
Okay.
And you add that to 1,926,900. That number.
Okay.
Then I'll give you your final.
That'll give us the final answer. So I'm going to try to line these up a little bit and maybe put a little line under it. And so we have, over in the ones place, we've got a 6. And then 8 plus 4 is 12. So I'm going to have a 1 in the hundreds column. 1 plus 9 is 10. And then 10 plus 12 is 22. So I'm going to bring 2 up to the thousands. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So that's a 5 in the thousands. I bring a 1 to the 10,000s. 1 plus 8 plus 1 is 10. Plus 2 more is 12. So I put a 2 there in the 10,000s. Bring a 1 to the 100,000s. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 3 more is 13. So I put a 3 in the 100,000s. And I bring a 1 up to the millions, which 1 plus 1 is 2.
That's a big number.
So 2,325,226. Wow. Okay. So now I'm getting out a calculator to see, is that right?
Possibly.
Possibly it is. So let's check it a different way. Where's the calculator on my phone? Calculator. What were our numbers? 6,423 times 362 equals 2,325, 126. What did I do wrong?
That's 2 million. Okay.
2 million. Okay.
So it's 8 plus 4 plus 0. That's 12.
Uh-huh.
But
Why did I carry a 2 up there? Okay. So 1 plus... Okay, yep, that's right. All right. So if I go back to the video and listen to that, I'm going to catch my mistake. So that's how we do it. That's if I could add, then I can multiply, because this is all just using addition to multiply. And that's how John Napier did it.
Just to make sure you carry the right number.
Yep.